you do it. Well, as you can see, I just threw that plastic balloon over there. Well, you know why it's called plastic balloon? Because it was actually plastic. So, let me show you with this one. This blue one. And as you can see, my mom actually did that one. And as you can see, there's a gold color in my new one. Gold! Yay! Gold color.
Sa man nagikan yung plastic balloon?
Well, there was actually another one in my old toy box.
So, who sent it to you?
Mama.
Yung plastic balloon from Mama in the Philippines.
As you can see, there's a collection. Yes. Gotcha. All I want is just 2 or 3 blue ones.
What are you doing now?
Well, as you can see, you have to put that on. And then if you're finished with this, and if you want to blow it up so big, you would have to do this. And as you can see, my balloon has turned small because of that big. Now this is what you end up with for free. As you can see, my baby sister is breaking Mummy's balloon. Not ready.
Nabuslot?
Yep.
How will you know if there's buslot?
You actually detect it by using YouTube.
Wala na ka balloon? Wala na? Oh no, wala na balloon. Buslot? Buslot no? Lokal. Uya. Oh, uya.
Hey, you can pop this one.
Sige.
Yeah, pop, pop, pop it, pop it.